the adjacent side of a right-angled triangle have length 5 centimeter and 12 centimeter. Find the length of the hypotenuse. So this is one of the simplest questions. As long as we are looking for hypotenuse, there is no way we are going to fight over the sides on which one is the adjacent. Because given a right angle, this can be x, this can be y, meaning this one can be adjacent or this one can be adjacent. Adjacent depends. So for the y, of course, this will be the opposite side, this will be the adjacent. For x, this will be the adjacent, and here will be the opposite. But the good thing about our question, it did not specify anything. So if that is the case, we are going to put 12 centimeter here, then we are going 5 centimeter here. And let us call our hypotenuse x. So let x be our hypotenuse. Okay. So since x is our hypotenuse, we are going to use a concept known as Pythagoras Theorem, where c square is equals to a square plus b square. In this case, our c square is nothing but x square, and our a square, remember we said we are not having any specifics on which side is the adjacent, which side is the opposite angle. So let us just say 5 square, okay, 5 centimeter square plus 12 centimeter bracket square. So we are doing substitution of values. So here it's x square is equals to 25 centimeter square plus 144 centimeter square. So here we are going to write our math here again. So it's x square is equals to 25 square centimeter plus 144 square centimeter, get nothing but 169 square centimeter. So we square both sides, okay? We apply a square root to both sides. X square here is equals to square root to 169 square. So we are having 2x. When we square, we get a single x. Same goes here. We get 169 square centimeter. If we square, since 44 is 12, so 169 is 13 centimeter here. So the hypotenuse, so therefore the hypotenuse side is nothing but 18 centimeter. So this is our answer. Now I want you to solve this question. You know, Pythagoras Theorem and the trigonometric ratios, they work hand in hand. So it's better also we take a look into questions like this. I hope you solve this question. See you on the next video when we take a look into the answer for this question. Thank you guys. Bye-bye.